Hi everyone, I just thought I would share with you a little project that I've tried here. We have a 3D printer at work, so I've tried to replicate something like what the monsoon mandrels are like. This is just 3D printed plastic. I had a quick go at it last night. It was my first time bending acrylic and I didn't do a very good job, but I was amazed that the plastic didn't get hot at all, like with no risk of melting, which is what I kind of thought was going to happen. It's not perfect. It needs to be refined a little bit, but it's not bad. So I just thought I'd try and see if I can get a perfect 180 bend using this this mandrel, which is obviously profiled the same as the tube, so it really helps with the bend process. Yeah, like I said, I've done this for the first time last night, so I'm really good at bubbling the tube and that kind of thing, so try and ignore that sort of things. But what I just want to try and do is take it slow and try and get a really good tight 180 bend in here. The bend radius in here is only 17 mil, so it's really tight. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to have to change that or not, so I'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, so this is a 3D printed mandrel. Just going to have a test at bending some tube. Oh, sorry, the tube is the premature tube. Just with the silicone insert, obviously. Yeah, so I imagine, you know, there's no reason why this wouldn't work with EK or E22 or any of the other acrylic tubes. They'd all have similar properties, I'd imagine. So I will give this a go, and hopefully slowly I will be able to get a decent bend out of this without melting it. So yeah, just sit tight and we'll see what we can get out of it. so it's still a little bit soft, but it's nearly set. There's not much room in there now, but as you can see, I've melted it pretty badly again. I don't know if anyone's got any tips. I don't think I'm getting it too close, but I guess I'm doing something obviously wrong because I'm getting really bad bubbling. And I'm not quite sure if the coloured tube is maybe worse than the clear tube or what. So if anyone's got any tips for me there, that'd be great. But as you can see, it's got a nice tight U-bend in there. It does have that wrinkling again on the inside, and I'm not quite sure if that would go away. Like if there was no bubbling there, if that would look clean. I think it would still be wrinkling, which is why I want to increase the radius up to about 22 or 25 mil. But yeah, otherwise you can see the plastics not come close to melting. It, I wouldn't even say it gets warm to the touch. It really doesn't heat up at all. So the thermal resistance of the plastic is really good. So yeah, that's bending it. Some rigid acrylic tube around a 3D printed mandrel. You can see it at least protects the inside from flattening out, and this one sits quite far in, so it supports the sidewall, not wanting the sidewall to flatten out, to retain its shape there. So yeah, that's a little project. It needs a little bit of refinement, but it works a treat. Now I just need to figure out how to get this sorted to stop bubbling, and I might have half a chance. So thanks for a look. Pop in any comments, tips for me, and hopefully I will be able to put up another video once I'm all done on my system. So thanks for checking it out. Cheers.